Hi everyone. I decided that I would show you how my working place is here. This is behind the scenes. At the moment I'm working on a tutorial on my website, and you can see here I have my computer here, and I am crocheting step by step and making photos to create the photo tutorial. And this is for clustered interwoven crochet. That's a new thing, and I will show you the shawl that I'm working on. This is with the Scheepjes Our Tribe yarn, and it's called the Arches, this pattern. It will be available on Ravelry, and you see what's happening here. It's very nice yarn. It has a color gradation, so that's very fun. And well, you see here I have my cup of tea, and I have chocolate, and that keeps me going with this task, because it's quite some work to do this, but it's very fun to do this, and it makes me also think about how will I explain this to you, and well, it's fun to do. So this is behind the scenes. I already wrote a blog about it on my website, so you can read that. You can join the Facebook groups if you haven't already done that. But well, the matter is that Facebook doesn't always show you stuff on your timeline. So the best way to get notified is to go to YouTube and subscribe to my channel if you didn't already do that, and put on that bell. So the moment that I will release the videos for this, you will get a notification, and then you will know that it's there. And I will release the videos, the photo tutorial on the website, and the pattern that I call the arches on Ravelry, all at the same time. So well, have a look for that, and then I will see you in the next video.